I go by the name Papito, aka Papi Spending. I got EJ of Lily live with me in the building.
Lagos.
Are you there?
Very well, brother.
All right. It's the Papi Soda Show. Today, we get special guests as usual. When they come through on the Papi Soda Show, you know, the fans and the celebrity get opportunity to meet in one big fine studio. Ultra modern studio. Look around you. Isn't it beautiful? In it?
Take a look.
In it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Gilmore, filmmaker, actor, content creator, everything, TikToker, every. Welcome Gilmore in the building. How you doing, brother man?
I'm very well, man. Thank you so much for having me.
Now,
here.
Pigeon gonna talk for you.
I do okay. I do. Thank God. I can't pay. I'm active.
Okay, oh man, I'm active. Gilmore, are you there? Content creator, influencer, TikToker. On top TikTok, over 1 million. For Instagram, about 1 million.
1
For
billion.
1 million now?
You don't reach 1 billion.
I never reach 1 billion.
Nah, me never follow him. You know, me. I'm the last person. We never follow enter 1 million. Okay, welcome to the Papi Soda Show.
Yeah, thank you for having me here.
Now, PG, you go talk. This pride is too much. After I don't buy that Benz now, you don't get unnecessary pride.
The old pigeon don't run.
That
Oh,
is
yeah, I did with you now.
Before now, my mother they borrow. Then they go on this small
No,
outing.
that time I actually enter BRT. You know, like say, I borrow your money.
The days when you enter BRT, now days why I just want to use my own motor. I can't come and kill myself because of you.
No.
No. So I have my life to live.
BRT I use steady before. I don't even borrow your car at all. I just be on BRT. If I don't see BRT, I enter Red Bus.
But first off,
Yeah.
how you go describe your feeling when OBU 30BG? I've been telling you saying wifey, and I they show your content.
Yeah.
How you feel with that comment?
Man, I feel blessed. I feel like somebody where they always watch when also person where they always watch as you understand is up there watching me. I felt I don't try you. That means say this is massive, baby.
Damn, that's crazy, baby.
Turn around.
But I see you frame the shirt.
Yeah, I framed the shirt. I won't sell the shirt. I never see buyer.
How much you sell them? How much you sell them?
Money no go far now. I change
How much?
$1.
Yeah.
That's 20K.
So basically, say Davido being hug him, ain't go frame the shirts.
You say one sell
That's
Put inside glass.
$20.
Oh, damn it, whoa, Coco. But I'm gonna throw this one for you. As a confirmed, consigned, 30BG fan, how you feel about the Glasgows with, especially the jabs, where whiskey they throw your fave?
I like whiskey. I
Davido.
like Davido.
But of course, okay, we can add the two you like.
Yeah.
But how you feel about that?
As I said, I like two of them together.
So anything
No,
goes. Anything goes right.
Anything,
All these people.
that's their own P, man.
Now off mic they go talk their mind.
That's none of my
On
own
top mic,
business.
you get that way they go talk. No worry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
everything.
sign me,
Give me a say. It's none of my business. It's actually theirs. You get. So,
That's their fans, the 30BG and the FC.
but you know fans too now.
Yeah, I mean the 30 FC.
Ogbon.
You understand?
But it's all good. But it's all congratulations on you, right?
Yeah, bless up, appreciate it.
Yeah. At least the adjure the small contribution. What we did,
I'm on
you know?
Akolo, no big contribution. I go break that wood with chisel. And I break I just begin to come out my money since 2022. Where I done the save. To 200, 100 naira, 10 naira, everything.
But I noticed say you've been deliberately do something on that day.
Yeah.
You've been drop something for YouTube.
Yeah.
And now that one actually they catch my fancy particularly.
What?
Yeah. People
Struggles
know
of
him,
Gilmore.
as the struggles of Gilmore.
Yeah, that's the name of the short film, but it's basically like a YouTube intro. Like it's actually supposed to be named official YouTube trailer, but people in Nigeria won't understand because like nobody has really done that before. Like they will not understand the trailer of waiting. Some people say they ask me, "Where is the movie? When is the movie dropping?" Don't be everything be movie now.
No be lie.
It's a trailer. Like people abroad do it. Like I just replicated what somebody did in the US. Like all these niggas abroad. Like
Now they talk that one for radio. Oh, I don't.
the verse.
Yeah, continue.
So like it's something I just like. There's one like when you are doing they do like Twitch trailer, distant trailer. You understand? So I just like it's basically like a YouTube intro.
Okay.
Like, okay, an intro video. Say this nigga don't come here.
This boy. He not gonna make me lose my job. He don't talk about me again.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
I get a lot of questions to ask you
Bet.
concerning this particular package we arrange for top of YouTube. It come out every Thursday, 12 a.m.
Don't be package you.
I understand. Explain what it be, Gogo.
Yeah, Nigerians are actually, they don't understand that thing because this is the first time they are saying that is just a YouTube intro. So people are asking me, are you dropping a series of struggles of? Nah, I'm not dropping a series. That's just one that I'm on YouTube. That just showed like the story before I now enter YouTube. Say I'm supposed to don't enter YouTube, but school stress me. That is why I didn't enter.
Now why you even call them the struggles? The struggle in federal school.
You understand? So now I'm on YouTube. Now to move on. Now we shall come be say I go on the drop series of struggles. Wait till concern struggles. Like that's just the name of the short film. The other things that are going to be coming are basically normal relatables that have been dropping on Insta to just be a longer form type thing. So I'm going to be dropping so now on that YouTube there are playlists. So in playlists I'm going to have like the boarding school playlist.
The struggles of Gilmore. It gets a particular intention where I get why 12 a.m.
I actually wanted to ask why 12 a.m. Why you put 12 a.m. People don't sleep now. Everybody be winch now. What did they solve?
Yeah, I remember like when I used to be on you like back in the days when I be no get data. I just feel like that time Brashag used to drop 12 a.m. and that time where you go drop me I know they get so we they do midnight plan. And that midnight plan 25 naira for 500 MB. We go come use download videos we will go come watch when we no get data in the day.
Okay.
So at that time, I'll just download videos, a lot of YouTubes.
Use the opportunity to
use that opportunity. You understand? So now I'm now in the space where I'm like, okay, people might not even have data. So like I see myself, I'm still seeing my people be
the same condition we be.
You understand? The same condition where I don't do better, but like people like actually fuck with you that they don't have data.
Hey.
People actually love you that they don't have data.
This boy. Sorry,
so
this
like,
guy.
so like,
so you're trying to be very considerate now,
Exactly. So you will get data, go see am for day. You will not get data, go save am for midnight. Understand? Because Nigeria hard.
Is it?
Is the pain going around?
For
and you buy Benz?
No, like for the.
I don't understand.
Nigeria is difficult for like the what's it called? The masses.
Okay, you know the part of the masses now.
You see, we buy Benz na masses.
No.
In carry mass.
In carry my hair. Now they drive through the masses. They drive on top themselves. But she said you do the premiere. How the experience?
Yeah, we thank God. A lot of Mr. Macaroni was there, Brashagi, Lassie and shout out to all the people that came through for me.
All the people just mentioned that they don't come to the show.
They don't come to the show.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Lassie never come.
Big
men. Macaroni, all of them. They don't come.
All of them like men. They be big men now.
Now men them be.
Now them they hold the industry and they try to show up still for like.
So it gets something where I go like ask you. I know say putting this together now a lot of work, struggles, investments, and if you go do like rough estimates, like how much you invest for this project?
Yeah, like that was just one video though.
Yeah, like just that one.
Yeah, that one video. I already shot the videos in like April.
Okay.
Yeah, so these other ones I'm just dropping them. I'm now some I don't shoot skip, so I'm now dropping as they go. Then I will still shoot some, but like that one was just one. It's not a series. It's not a. It's just
I feel you.
It's a YouTube intro.
Yes. Now like announcement say, "You guys, something good. They come back to back on Thursday."
Exactly. It's not be the struggles of Gilmore go continue to play. That is just one of. That's a YouTube intro.
Okay.
What is going to be dropping are other videos. So like YouTube has playlists. So the playlists, I'm now going to arrange like each of my things I do on Instagram, like boarding school videos. There's going to be Uni and I. There's going to be Lagos relatables for people that just they hear Lagos when they're around the world. Let them see Lagos on YouTube.
So that one because they a little bit longer.
You understand? You could just do a little bit longer and more detailing and more intentional and more relatable. And I'll be putting like famous people.
No, so my question now, after now, like you say you could drop today 12 a.m. So but after now, other content you could drop on 12 a.m. too?
Yeah, I will drop 12 a.m.
Constant 12 a.m. So every Thursday 12 a.m.
Yeah.
The content will drop. Ontop YouTube, right?
By the special grace of God.
So like how much now? We never go there, and that money are they
You
concerned
know,
about?
great talk the money.
Which one is that?
The money for the project now.
Anna, all the resources.
Just that one?
I mean, yeah, for a start.
Yeah, like I shot that. The person who shoot that video, like the person shoots music videos because I wanted the visuals to be very good. So I shot it.
Come close to the mic. Come close to the mic.
So I shot it since like April.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you never answer my question.
Let's see that.
How much?
Yeah, like roughly 50 million.
No, I know you. No, yeah, wait, 50
Yeah,
million.
like we
50
shot
million.
that P. We still had like mistakes.
Wait. It's, yeah, 50 million.
50 million, yeah.
Yeah, I know you 50 million. I hear 50,000.
In the try to tell you, say, in case you get mine to shoot, yeah, the price.
Yeah, the person we shoot, I know they shoot normal. Now music video, they shoot now. You understand?
So now 50 million naira. For that just one pack introduction where you just say announcement, say hello, I'm gonna do some things for YouTube. Does that one at 50 million naira?
You don't see the visual. Can't you see the
No,
quality?
that the audio I see.
You hear that for radio.
Baba, 50 million naira.
But that's massive.
You don't go like is not somebody that shoots kids that shot it. It's somebody that shoots like
musical
proper
videos, yeah.
proper P.
You who the person be? No one talk the person
What's the
name.
person's name?
Michael, the entertainer. They shot Davido's video. Yeah, shot Oxley's video.
Oh,
Yeah.
A round of applause for him. 50 million naira. That's a lot of investment. Who's sharing?
Shirin. Yeah, we made she's an influencer. She's a content creator. We did a video.
We know the work what should they do. Who is she to you?
She to me as that
Come close to the mic now. Be a man now.
She to me as how she's my colleague now.
Really?
We both did the All Out Your Boy P now. Yeah, she's my guy.
And that's all.
Yeah.
Nothing again.
Let's see again.
what do you want to make it do?
No, I just say no now. But any lady that any tall lady, you need a tall lady. I mean, I'm just saying advice. So
You didn't speak for her. How long talk now?
no, okay, sorry. Speak for yourself. In short, speak.
Okay. In brief, I'll speak.
Summarize it.
Let me
Summarize it.
speak
Briefly. Briefly explain it. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't already I get my own people too now. I get my own, you understand?
No, they use that one. Talk what's in your mind.
Azal.
Who is that? You get, you be, you know, get. We they do matchmaking edition for this show.
Okay, I get.
Who is she? Oh, round of applause.
You don't need to know now.
Oh my God.
You don't need to know now.
Why you no go tell us? You no give us exclusive.
Don't be exclusive. Which will be exclusive? It's all I want to do.
All the colleagues we get for the industry, whether now celebs or fellow content creators, according to you, who you go feel say how more they get very nice experience working with this person. And they enjoy them. They collabo, the every.
Yeah, Mr. Macaroni.
A round of applause for Mr. Macaron. Why? Why him?
Yeah, if you go on his set, it's very, very, he's a very mad.
Come close to the mic, yeah.
Like he's already he's a matured man. Like the way he arranges P, everything just organized. Understand? He came to my set and he still show love, still drop money for us. I go, he say everything was very proper, very mature, very fast.
It be like
stress free, and he go still reach out to you. This. Like you reach out to him, he's still gonna reply. He's just matured, man.
all right, so but you don't thought the one way good. The one way no make sense because the most useless, wasteful, time wasting collaboration. You don't get any collab. No, don't say it.
No, nobody, man.
You're lie.
I've not really like done collaboration like that.
For your page, what you can they do?
A few people I don't really do.
Na Fola. Mama Diola de collab, man. Jesus.
But people say this strange boy.
I know that's why they insult my mama like that.
Okay. Your mommy. I see what content when I do with you bring a wife come and you love Batman. Oh yeah, we get wale. And the love but of course.
Yeah, we're still going to be. We are coming very soon on YouTube. Also, we'll be bringing different. Let me not give you too much info
because you know you're Nigerian.
You understand?
No do.
I'm going to be as I bring any other bad ones. I'm going to bring different ladies. Me and Fola are going to be doing that on YouTube very soon.
Oh, okay, amazing.
Longer video type shit.
All right, but you the bond between you and Trench Boy, how it be now from school or family or
yeah, from school.
From school, just you and Trench Boy from school, right?
Yeah.
But when I really bond over like family.
Yeah, we bond. Yeah.
Well, like the way the synergy when they do take doing our stuff and all of that. I see the bond. So we think say na family not be.
No, we not be family.
No, they not no family. This is that one fine
I
person.
be Yoruba.
No be fine with that. You don't say that on the hair. I believe you.
I be Yoruba.
Okay. You be Yoruba hina.
Igbo.
Oh, hina Igbo. Actually.
She said don't be family. It's obvious now. That one fine person.
But in the more creative person.
I no talk that
And I
one.
me talk am.
I no talk that one. This boy, all the content is very sarcastic. I'm just going to enter you anyhow. I know say I plan you come. You know say I plan you come.
Yeah.
You don't talk like two of my questions now. But I'm gonna let the fans also wait inside of the studio to ask questions if you need to know one or two. This one will not be comment section. If you avoid anything, face to face, direct, one on one. All through your period and years of content creating, it gets any weirdest big sacrifice you don't make, crazy thing you don't do just for the sake of content.
Yeah, like I barbed my hair for content.
Like
I cut my hair.
Make I see what you know.
Last year September.
You barb skin.
Yeah, skin.
For what you try what character?
Yeah, I had to like do a relaxer content where the relaxer burns your hair off.
Okay.
So
Wow.
like it chopped my hair off in the content. So I have to now cut the hair because I can't be carrying a rat hair around.
Okay, see if you damage your hair small, right?
No be say the thing damage my hair. I mean use clipper just cut some parts so it to look like
Okay,
it.
so to look like.
Yeah. So I just had to cut everything.
But you don't get any other challenging role so far. I see they work with other content creators. We really, this one hard me, but I just had to struggle through.
Man, none for now.
So anything what they give if you do them. I act like a shower stripper. Do now.
No, they've not really. That's why I said I've not really
Do
done collabs now.
Okay, do that one. Do like a stripper now.
How much for a night? Okay, you know, 150K. Short time, 50,000 naira. If you go call
Like they patronize these people. You know the price.
We don't promote that kind of.
We don't. Yes, I mean.
yeah.
I just look for what to go.
What thing they do now? Why in the promote?
That was a nice comeback actually. Yeah.
Now subconscious, you don't do in body.
And the reason I'm on this one, but I don't know.
Look at these short people.
First
Who are these ones?
Gilmore, I know they think from the way they think. I know they see. I'm saying not true.
Yeah, short people think alike. They think.
Tall people think differently.
Yeah, I mean, that's how we roll. You know.
How do fat people think?
Come on, if they talk with it, no be. I don't fat that. You know they talk with it, no be.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.